How to get Midjourney promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box, type in Midjourney promo code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, grab on, open it. You'll be directed to this kind of page. Now here you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Midjourney. Just scroll down and check out the offers. Annual subscription 30% off, 20% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you wanna grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it, or you'll get this kind of pop-up offer activated, and you'll be directed to the Midjourney website. Then you can log into your account. Then you can go through the process to use this code. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find amazing offers for Midjourney. Likewise, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also try out other website, this one, Deal Sport. As in this website as well, you're going to find tons of offers for Midjourney, $100 off, 20% off, and many more. So this way you can easily get Midjourney working promo code. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.